Hi, this is Eric with VBAHowTo.com. Today I'm restarting my VBA series with starting with Module 1 and real basic here. So again, you can download the code at the website VBAHowTo.com, and I'll put it in the description box below. This video, you're going to learn how to use we're going to start off real basic, how to use the Visual Basic Editor, the VBE, to edit code applications, how to declare and use variables using that dim statement, which is short for dimension, how to create and call sub-procedures, and just real basic, those three things. If you want to know a more advanced basic access tutorial, go to my go to the second video on this. Okay, this video is going to show how to show values based on input. Basically, VBA is Visual Basic for applications. Basically, all Microsoft programs have VBA, the programming language, in them. So, like Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, they all have their own version of VBA. And you can go ahead and program those languages. It's kind of an extension to those languages, allow you to access the object models on those of those programs. So you can extend the functionality beyond the whatever the user experiences. You can extend that into and make it customizable. Use it to your own likings. So first things first, if we have this here application, just a plain little Access application, I'm going to show you also how to, I'm going to show you the VBE window, the Visual Basic Editor, and also how to set a value of a form, okay, using this. So two things, to access the VBE Editor, go ahead and press Alt and F11 on your keyboard, the combination. Bang. Okay, that opens up the VBA Editor. That's where you put all your code to add in, to insert a module, because everything is a module in Access. Okay, and pretty much everything, but here we have it all contained, like you have your own form module, and here we have the code module is we're inserting a module. So again, right click on this, insert module. And then I'm going to have a sub procedure. Notice this option compare database at the top of the screen. And that option compare database is a method to, because these are not typed languages, meaning that they're indiscriminate most of the time, from not able to discriminate lowercase or uppercase. Most other languages have a discrimination between lowercase and uppercase. So if you're looking for a lowercase s and you type capital S, it won't find it won't find the, well, if you're looking for a lowercase s and you type in your search box for the uppercase s, it won't find it. If you're using like in string, or in other languages substring. So if you substring or in string a lowercase s, it'll find the lowercase s, but it won't find the uppercase s. So anyway, you put this in there, and it kind of, if you delete this, it'll find both the lowercase and uppercase. If you put that in, it'll just find the lowercase, not the uppercase, or uppercase, not the lowercase. Anyway, if that's not confusing. But anyway, that's trivial. But So well, here we're going to have a sub procedure, and I'm just going to name it something easy, sub X. And we're going to have message box. I'm going to dim something. Okay, dim is allocating a piece of memory to this variable, and I'll make it a string. That's why I prefix it with an str. String dim str message as string. So I'm telling the computer to use this variable, and we're just saying, okay, that variable str message is going to be a string. And then I'm going to instantiate it by putting a equals hi, how are you? Okay. Again, this is teaching the principle. It's not really a practical stuff. As the message box, we're just going to return the value here. Again, I'm saying, okay, well, just return the value, and I'm pressing F5 to run this. Hi, how are you? Okay, real basic message box. So here, here I'm allocating a piece of memory to that variable. I'm instantiating the variable. I'm setting it equal to hi, how are you? I'm using the message box function because function, I call it function because I'm going to, because I can return a value, whatever the message box is, but here I'm not. I'm just saying, okay, the message box is going to return this value. And I could have clicked this. That does the same thing as pressing F5. Now, okay, I'm saving this. It's just BAS utility or tool. BAS basic module. Okay, that's BAS is the term. It's just a naming convention. And same with my SCR is a naming convention. You can call it message. You can call it whatever you want. Now to set a value of a form. Let's see if I could find. Oh, here. Find my mouse. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Okay, so here my mouse. I'm going up here to create a form and form design. Okay, and I'm saying, okay, this is a message. This just a little box here, and I'm just gonna call it. This box has nothing in there, and I can type some stuff if I want. Now, let's see if I can. I'm gonna use this layout view. Well, and I'm not. I'm gonna go to this. Here, I'm going to call this text box. I want to give it a name. So I'm going to call it txt message. Message. You may want to set some user variables whenever a form loads. Okay, that's the meaning behind this. So whenever this form loads, I want this box to be filled with something. So I'm using VBA to set this box equal to something, because right now, like I said before, it's blank. Okay, there's nothing here. So when the form loads, I want this box to be filled automatically with something. It combats the issue with validating this and make sure it's not null, because maybe you want it to be equal to something already. Okay, so here I'm using and this is going here. Okay, it's using this event button, and a lot of people use macros. I don't. Guess the video's getting long. Sorry, my phone here. I don't use macros code builder. again, you see module, the module is loaded. Me dot me is a keyword for that particular form. Me.txt message box, and I'm equals hi. You can make it equal to a certain value, and I've done that before. But and I'm going here and the name of the form. I'm not doing the form here, but form one. Okay, and so hi is the name of that. So anyway, whenever I bring up the form, bang, hi. Okay, doesn't make a lot of sense, but you can see two options here of using Visual Basic. I use Visual Basic on the in a module to give me a message box, and I use Visual Basic on a form to give me a value in this here text box whenever the form loads. Okay, so take this, make sure you stick around while you look at the next video, which is returning user input. Based on whatever the user inputs, we're gonna have certain logic that acts upon that input. So, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel to make sure that you see that video to get notified when that video comes out. I hope you liked it and you gain a lot out of it. If you have any questions, go ahead and input them in the comments below. And I said like and subscribe to this channel, and I hope this video left you better than it found you. Bye.